Easy to assemble. The standard is easy to assemble with no tools required, sets up in just minutes following the instructions. Once assembled, simply load your bike and you are ready to go. Convenient. The upright roof top carrier easily transports one bike while attaching to your roof rack. Fits square, round and oval bars up to 3 wide. Worry-free security. Bikes are secured on the fork mount blocks. These blocks include 9 mm quick-release skewers that anchor your bikes to the rack. Versatile. The solid versatile design fits most vehicles type sizes. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install, worked perfect on my Thule Evo wingbar. Bought this to mount on my Thule Edge wingbar bike system and worked perfectly in my opinion. We were successful on removing the pin to use on a through axle, but I'll note it did not feel like it was supposed to come out. Very happy to save over $100 each had I gone with the Thule kit. Didn't need to secure anything extra either. I'm awful at following instructions and found this to be rather intuitive to setups as well. Just used the product as designed and off we went. Hope this review helps folks decide that this product is definitely worth it.